Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today's recipe is a dessert which is a dream of every chocolate lover. It's a family favorite and personally my favorite as well. The recipe is Walnut Brownie. The ingredients required for this recipe are 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour or Maida, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 cup melted butter, 1¼ cup of castor sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 4 eggs, half cup melted dark chocolate, 1 cup dark chocolate chips, 1 cup walnuts, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoon vanilla essence. So before starting with the recipe, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes and make sure you are subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing recipes. So let's start with the recipe. So we take a large bowl and into it we add the melted butter and castor sugar and brown sugar. And we're going to take a whisk and whisk it well till the sugar and butter are combined. So now butter and sugar have been combined nicely. It's time to add the eggs and vanilla essence. Mix all of this with a whisk. Now everything is mixed properly. Just look at this. And it's time to add the melted chocolate. So we have added the chocolate, and one important tip, the butter and the chocolate should be melted and cooled so that the eggs do not scramble. Just mix it nicely. So now we take a sieve and we'll add the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. Salt is very important in the recipe because it enhances the flavor of the dessert. So we'll just sift it. So we'll just fold all these ingredients lightly. It's very important to sift your ingredients so that there are no lumps or impurities. So a very rich, thick and gooey chocolatey batter has formed, and now we'll add the walnuts and the chocolate chips. So I'll reserve few of the walnuts and chocolate chips for putting on top, and chocolate chips. Trust me, you'll fall in love with this brownie. Keeping some for topping. Just mix it nicely. So I have greased and lined a baking tin and I'll pour the batter into this tin. It's very rich and thick. And here goes our final. Just tap it once or twice so that if there are any air bubbles, they will escape. And now we'll top them with the reserved walnuts and chocolate chips. So this is ready to go in the oven and we'll bake it for around 30 to 35 minutes. So I've taken out the brownie from the oven. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. It would be firm and crisp on the outside and soft and dense and fudgy on the inside. But before we slice it, we'll have to let it cool down. So the brownie has been cooling for some time and I've unmolded it. Now it's time to cut it into pieces. And it's ready to plate. First I want to show you the inside of the brownie. Just take a look. This is so dense and gooey and fudgy and so chocolatey. So our super delicious walnut brownies are ready to eat. You can eat them with ice cream, whipped cream or chocolate sauce, or as I prefer, eat them as it is. Please try this recipe at home and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.